Here we have a 2006 Ford E250 high-top handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a VMI Tuscany conversion. It does have a lowered floor and a raised roof and a Braun UVL wheelchair lift. Very nice van, 70,000 original miles. It has gone quite a bit of service here recently. The wheelchair lift was just serviced. It has fairly new tires. Very nice condition. The paint's good all the way around. Shows very nicely. It's got nice chrome wheels. It does have a rear power folding bench seat bed, two-tone leather interior. It's a very nice clean van. Pretty rust-free all the way around. Clean Carfax, clean title all the way, no stories. Please give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We're happy to help at any time. We do accept trades of all types. We can help with shipping to any destination in the world. Give us a call anytime. It's a beautiful 06 Ford high-top handicap wheelchair conversion van, Tuscany VMI. It is an E250, does have the tow package. Braun UVL wheelchair lift. I'll show you how everything works. That was just serviced. Give you the tour of the inside here. It's in pretty nice shape. I'll point out any flaws or anything that I can find. Everything's in pretty good shape for the year and mileage. Shows a little bit of age, but overall that's about it. Just shows some age. There's a little bit of fading on the carpet. There's a couple little marks on the back seat, but overall it's pretty nice. That is a rear folding bench seat bed. It does go back and forth, as you can see, and also up and down. So fully loaded, does have all of your indirect limo lighting. There's a little bit of fading on the wood grain, but overall it's pretty nice shape. It does have all that beautiful lighting inside. Shows very nicely. Like I said, leather interior. It does have L-track, Sherlock tie downs for the floor, ratchet tie downs. You got your window shades. 70,000 original miles, right about 70. It's very low mileage for the year. Van is very nice and straight all the way around. Top paint is in good shape. It's not faded or peeling anywhere. Overall, it's very nice. Tires are like about 80% new. There's a little bit of pitting on the lug nuts of the wheels, but overall, they're pretty nice shape. Beautiful for the year and mileage, of course. Does have your tow package. Got your Sherlock tie downs in the rear. You do have another bed controller back here. Pretty nice condition. Runs and drives great. We've gone through this van pretty much and serviced anything that we could find. Overall, it's very nice. Leather interior, it's very nice. Heated seats as well. Very nice. Lowered floors. Very hard to find this setup. We specialize in these vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. Give us a call at any time. We're happy to help. I have the emergency brake depressed so that it can operate the wheelchair lift. Again, the mileage is 70,080 miles. So just turned 70,000 miles. Very nice, clean van. Paint shows really nicely. Runs and drives good. There's no warning lights on there, as you can see. see under the hood is very nice. Sorry for the delay there. I was just fooling around with the hood latch trying to get that open. There's nothing wrong with it. I was just getting in there and get it. Very nice clean van. Couple little marks here and there, normal wear and tear, but overall very nice and clean. If you have any specific questions, please give me a call at 954-561-2499. I'm happy to help. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. You can call or text us at 954-561-2499. This is a Braun UVL. I'm operating it from the pendant here. Was just serviced. Had a very extensive service done at Mobility Works. Give us a call at any time, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. Very nice clean van. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. This is a very hard to find setup. The lowered floor and a raised roof with expanded side door entry. Low miles. Give us a call anytime. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net, 954-561-2499. Thank you.